Hey guys, welcome to Code Tips channel. Today we are going to learn different ways of writing the factory design pattern. In this video, I'm going to use Java and Spring Boot so you can relate it with your production code. We need a structure where we can use the factory design pattern. I'm taking very simple example to create the structure since we all know the sorting algorithm. So I have created an interface sorting algorithm and it has a method to sort the integer in ascending order. Now we have the different algorithms like bubble sort, selection sort, merge sort, etc. Each concrete algorithm has to implement this interface. As of now, you can see only three classes implementing this interface, and each has concrete algorithm to sort the integer. In future, if we need to add more implementation or the algorithms, we can easily add by implementing this sorting algorithm. Also, we have created one enum to maintain a list of the different algorithms. You can see this. Now, if we need to use a specific sorting algorithm depending on the runtime parameter, then we have to write if-else logic at every place. To abstract the complexity and remove the code duplication, we create one factory class that will have the responsibility to return the concrete object on the basis of that runtime parameter. So I'm starting with the very basic factory method. We are using the Spring, so you can see the few annotations of the Spring framework. We have injected all three sorting algorithms in this class, and you can see this get sorting method will be used by the client to get the particular algorithm. This implementation has few issues. Whenever we need to add more implementation of the sorting algorithm interface, we have to come to this class and we have to make the changes in this method. Okay, let's optimize this implementation and move to the second implementation. In this class, we are using a map in which we are storing the sorting type as a key and the concrete algorithm as a value. We have changed the algorithm method as well. Now it is using the map to return the concrete implementation. But still we have to change the class. On adding the new implementation of the sorting algorithm, we have to put new implementation in this map. Let's make the factory agnostic to the implementation of the sorting interface. Okay, let's move to the third implementation. In this class, we have changed the way of initializing the map. We are using the power of the Spring, and Spring can inject the beans in the form of the map, where the key is the bean name and value is the bean. Now whenever new implementation added in the system, we don't need to make the changes in this class, but developers have to make sure bean name should be same as the enum value in sorting algorithm type. Let's make it easy for the developers by moving to the fourth implementation. In this implementation, we have added a get type method in sorting algorithm interface. Now each algorithm has to specify its type. Like bubble sort, we are returning it from the concrete class. Here we are injecting the list of the bean and Spring will do the stuff for us. Now we are iterating over the list of the beans and initializing the map. If you want to check the fifth implementation, then find the GitHub link in the description. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more production like examples.